The discussion in the session located the issue of Palestine in the broader spectrum of the global system, the practice of double standard, discrimination, and the persistence of Oriental look into the peoples of the Middle East.
This conference comes at a really important time after more than 2 years of genocide in Gaza, which has coincided and led to a lot of very profound changes in the regional order, and is also reflecting in important changes that are being made at the international level too.
Today I was here to talk about the politics of conservation, heritage conservation, and I used the city of Aden in Yemen as a case study post-2015. It was quite a privilege and an honor to be here. I gained so much momentum and so much information and knowledge from my peers and even from the professors who all attended and presented here.